embrace it to improve our quality of life and the quality of life generally which we aspire for. Emerging technologies, like we all know, there is a whole laundry list of technologies which are evolving, right from educational technology, nanotechnology, biotechnology, cognitive science. But today our the guest speaker is going to limit himself to those 3 or 4 technologies which actually have tremendous potential and which we perceive as on date they are capable of not just challenging but changing the status quo. Yesterday we had a 2-hour interaction in my office, and for first time in my life I was exposed to emerging technologies and those beautiful acronyms with the lady while she was very effusive in my praise. In praising me, she mentioned IoT and AI, etc. I must thank you profusely for those kind words which you spoke about me. And today we will limit ourselves to 3D printing. There are 4 students who from the school, Army Public School, who are associated with Atal Tinkering Lab. Yesterday while interacting with Mr. Avik, we discovered that he is also mentoring the Atal Tinkering Lab all over the country, and his guidance and his expertise in counseling has been solicited none less than Government of India. So we are in a very privileged company. He is also an author of the first book in Asia on 3D printing, and without taking much time, let him take the limelight and show us the way ahead. 3D printing, the young boys, you are in class 12, you are at the threshold of making your, or the senior classes, you are at the threshold of making career choices. What better than, the right information when it is served to you on platter. Make the best use of it and try and imbibe the best what you can. And so goes for all the ladies and gentlemen who are here. I wish you all the very best. And Mr. Avik, thank you so much for coming to Kanpur and helping us promote from one level to the next. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your kind words. Now